Hey, what's going on? What's going on, everybody? Street Trading here with this week's weekly trade watch list. We are looking at a 15-minute chart of SPY heading into the last few sessions of March trading. Kicking off, we're going 29, 30, 31. Then obviously the first Thursday and the 2nd of April on Friday. So it was a pretty eventful week last week. Actually going into the last few sessions, we had that nice run up in SPY to wrap up the week's closing. Then actually after hours, the boys pierced all-time highs. It went up I think it was 403, 404 quickly, briefly, and then came right back down. Scooping up. Pretty much it was it's a stop hunt. I mean, it was clearly what was cooking. But anyway, that being said, there was a lot of chatter over the weekend, obviously, from those block trades going into the last few sessions. And, whatever. Look into it. Don't look into it. Build your own thesis. Listen, who gives a shit what they're trying to pump to you, what they're trying to force, your hand, so to speak, right? You know the deal, guys. You already know what is cooking. There's always ulterior motives behind every move, every headline, all that shit, guys. Block it out. Understand what's happening. Read the headlines, read the reports, whatever. I mean, take what's going on, but don't forget what the ulterior motive is, guys. Don't forget that. Don't fall into that trap. That's all we can tell you time and time again, day in, day out, week in, week out, month in, month out, year in, year out. It's a rinse and repeat. The narrative is always the same. They're always trying to fucking manipulate the mindset, guys. Don't think about... Listen, it's not just technicals and fundamentals, guys. A fucking monkey can learn that stuff. It's far more than that, okay? Understand how what's being played. Understand the game being played. All right? Don't let them give you your cards. Understand that. Do your thing. Make your money. Get out. Go enjoy your life. So... Anyway, whether we're going to see some continued bloodbath selling to kick off this week's session or not remains to be seen. It's irrelevant. We shall see if it occurs. Then we're going to hop in again. Listen, it was amazing for us last week. VIPs crushed it for us. DISCA crushed it for us. These things are falling off a cliff. Fear and uncertainty brings amazing opportunity. Amazing opportunity to the downside, guys, because obviously those long-term holders get pushed as far as they can go, and they start jumping ship in a quick and in a frantic way, and that's what you want to take advantage of to the downside. That's what we did. Anyway, we made a big video on it. If you haven't seen it, go check that out. Let's get into our weekly watches for this week's session. We got what do we got? 9 going into this week's session. If this and that scenarios, we got our level set. If it's going to occur, it's going to occur. If prices reach our thesis, we're going to hop in, manage risk. If not, we won't do shit on our weekly. Obviously, we got our daily, intraday trades that we look at, that we post on a daily basis. But this is our weekly that we plot our levels. And if this then that scenarios, if price reaches our idea level entry, we will put on the risk. Otherwise, we do not do anything. That's it. We can be 9 for 9 or 1 for 9. It's irrelevant. Doesn't matter. This is what we are prepping for the week. All right, guys. Let's get down to business and securities we're looking at and our plan for this week's session.